Today's recipe is excellent if you are eating it with puri. This eggplant potato curry, we are going to make it with our homegrown eggplants, and we are also growing potatoes also, which is going to take some time. And here in our farm, basically last 3 months I am trying to learn how to grow vegetables. Now that I have learned little bit, we together can grow a lot of vegetables. Even if you are in an apartment or in the urban homes, you can do this and you can grow a lot of vegetables. And look at this eggplant plant. If it is put in the ground, you get a lot more. Like in 50 days, you will start getting these brinjals, and for the next 6 months, you can enjoy from one plant almost like 10 kg of brinjal. Today's special recipe is Mirchi, Pudina, Aloo, Baingan. This has got such a strong flavor that when you eat it with puri, it's a perfect combination. The first step for me is to put all this into a blender. So basically the mirchi. Add a lot of mirchi. These mirchi are not really very hot. So add a lot of them in this. Add mint. This much will be too much for my recipe. This much of mint and coriander. And also add tomatoes. You will be surprised because we are growing so much of cherry tomatoes here that even for the regular tomato recipes, I am using them. But these cherry tomatoes are so nice throughout the day when I walk in the garden. Put these cherry tomatoes also and blend it into a kind of a coarse paste. Trust me, when you grow your own vegetables, the taste is literally double, tripled. So cut all the brinjals. You will be surprised that every day we cut the brinjals because there are so many brinjals and they grow so fast. In another few days, again these small brinjals will become this much big. Look at these awesome brinjals, and the reason why I am growing in the pot is because my mom wants every plant in her garden too. So in my farm I put some of these plants in the pots, and also I can also learn how to grow these things in the pot. And here we are going to start the recipe. For this eggplant recipe, add some oil in the pan, the pudina, coriander and green chili paste. Wow, it has a strong, powerful the punch to it. Now when the oil is nice and hot, add mustard seeds, red chili, some cumin, and in this add chopped onion. Also add some salt and let these onions sweat a little bit. Not brown but slightly colored. To this add ginger garlic paste, some turmeric. Cut the eggplants just before cooking so that they don't get oxidized, and look at this. This is nice, big yet very tender. Cut the medium size and add to this. Add all the eggplants and let it cook for 2 minutes. To this we are going to add the paste of mint, green chili and coriander. Wow. Look at it. Nice and perfect. And also you can add some water to this and let it cook. In the meanwhile, you can also add some coriander powder and a little bit of cumin powder and some garam masala, and keep cooking till this eggplant is nice and soft, because I have already boiled the potatoes and kept. Another thing is, you want to actually slightly overcook the potatoes if you are going to enjoy it with puris. So look at these eggplants, they are almost done. In this add already boiled potatoes, and we are going to let it cook further and also adjust the salt in last 2 minutes of cooking. Now the aroma is perfect, the eggplant is cooked, the potatoes are also perfectly done. That's it. This one is often enjoyed with chapatis, pulka, puri, and even with rice. This will be fantastic. And especially when you mix and eat this recipe with rice, you will get that kind of awesome biryani aroma, the pulao aroma. dear friends, our power chef Pranav wants to make puri with this. So let's go ahead and make puri also. Yes, Mr. Pranav. Aja, aja. Okay, what's special with this puri? What is this dark color?
Kalonji and ajwain.
Kalonji and ajwain. So regularly we add a little bit of ajwain for the puris, but why kalonji today?
Because my Bihari friends taught me that.
Okay, because our Bihari friends, they love to make it like this. Okay, good. Go ahead. Is the oil hot enough? Let's see. Wow. Ha ha. The nice kalonji aroma and the puris when they are puffed up. Ha ha ha. Okay, now it's your turn. Power Chef Pranav and I, we spend a lot of time here, and in fact, I am learning some of this organic farming tricks from him. Apparently, he got some coaching too, self-learning, a lot of YouTube learning, and that's nice. Yours came better than mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 कितना पूरी चाहिए? Make sure for the puris to puff properly, you got to make sure that the oil is nice and hot. Wow. Now the puris are ready. Let's serve. Aloo Baingan. Aha. When we both started the work in the farm here, we decided we're going to lose weight. We lost the first 10 kgs. After that, again, we got into eating. So, come on. Smoking hot. Take a hot puri and then jump in. Aha. And now the time is morning 8:30, and this is how we start our day with first recipe. That is going to be our breakfast. Aha. All the hard work in the farming is paying off now. And Power Chef, what are you going to make the next recipe?
Anything with radish?
Anything with radish?
Yes.
Radish
We have
sambar.
lots of radish.
Oh, we are growing a lot of radish here. So next you're going to make radish sambar?
Yes, sure.
Wow. So lunch is going to be sambar, and I'm going to top it off with some chicken.